How to verify Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your Facebook page and not your Facebook profile. If not, then you can go ahead and switch to your Facebook page. So once you have opened your Facebook page, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your Facebook page name. Here you will see the three dots. Tap on that and then tap on the verify your page option you see there. Now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the join the wait list option. With this, you can connect authentically with your customers and stand out as a legitimate brand. So once you have tapped on the join the wait list option, you will be on the wait list for Meta Verified. With this, Facebook will verify your page and look for all aspects that is required for the verification purpose before they verify your page. So this is how you can verify Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.